Okay, how much is it?
$1.
$1, okay.
And I'm sacrificing that at $1 as well.
Really?
Yep.
Okay. Is that $1 too?
Yep.
Okay.
Making me swerve, making me swerve, making me swerve, making me swerve, making me swerve.
Candy? How much is it?
$1.
$1 for
a pack.
If you want a pack with just 6, it's 6. So it's technically $1 for a chocolate.
Okay.
And it's sea salt caramel.
See, okay. We'll buy 6 of them. How's that?
Your camera's running.
2.
Yeah. Say hi. There you go, buddy.
1, 2, 3, 4.
He's the guy with the cash, huh? There you go.
Money.
Is this your sale? Or
It's Jess's. I'll take it.
okay. Thank you.
Thanks for buying your chocolate.
Absolutely. We'll enjoy. What is it for like a benefit or something or?
He's in a play.
Oh, that's cool.
To raise money for like costumes.
Oh, cool. Awesome. Well, have a good day.
Just saying. Just saying.
Have a good day, guys.
You too. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Everybody gets along really good.
That's cool. Yeah. It's really cool, actually.
I can cool.
I know I'm allergic to them too.
Who's this guy?
I think that's Ted Williams. It's pretty neat, too.
Huh? I will. I'll tell them alone.
How much is this?
Well, let me tell you, on the market it's worth $39.
39.
But if you really want it, I'll give it to you for $15.
15.
Barnes Bailey Post. It's an original. So, I've had a lot of people ask
Oh,
me
yeah,
for
I
it,
know.
so-
But they usually not from 15.
Nope. I think that's as low as I'll go.
Yeah.
Would you go 10? Yeah. That's as low as I'll go, because I just don't want to take it with me.
Give that lady $10, boy.
I'm thinking. I'll do.
It gets hot here.
I'll do 15 if you throw this in.
You got it.
Okay. Let's see. Do you have a 5 by any chance?
I certainly do.
Okay. Hey, puppy. How are you?
Jasper.
Hey, Jasper.
Here you go.
Thank you very much.
Thank
That
you.
brings out protection for you.
That's right.
Yeah.
Not like a puppy.
That's probably why.
He has a puppy at home.
It's going to be 4.
Oh.
If you interested, that's a buck.
A buck?
I'm very reasonable to it.
Very reasonable. Okay.
I use that for kayaking.
Just tell me if he gives you any worries. I'll come.
Okay. We'll get that for $1. What else?
It's a little musical.
Little music box.
Yeah, it works too.
I hear it playing.
You do?
Yep. See anything you like? No? Okay, so you want to hold this for a second and I'll pay her for these things?
Sure.
Okay, so I have this jacket and then what about this little thing here?
50 cents.
50. Oh, I'll give you $1 for it. There you go.
Okay.
What about for this one?
That one?
Yeah.
50 cents.
Give her another.
Here's another $1.
Did you pay me for those yet?
For these, yeah, I gave you.
Oh, that's right. You
yeah.
did. My
Yep.
apologies.
That's
No problem.
No.
Look, Jasper's like, yeah. I
Yeah?
Enjoy.
Thank you very much. Oh, here we go. That's cool.
Why not?
What about Wonder Woman?
Yeah.
Wonder Woman.
Yeah.
She's Wonder
What
Woman.
did she put on it? $2?
5.
There's 5.
Two.
I'd do it for 2.
Okay.
Okay.
That's $2 off my bill, Ann. I bought so much of her stuff. I'm hoping to sell something to pay her back. Okay, now I owe her $22.
I'm gonna go get something to drink.
That was
$2.
All right.
Thank you.
Oh, off my bill.
Look at that. Paying off your debts. Okay, you guys have a great day.
Thank you so much. Have a good day. You too.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
That stuff on that side's all free.
Whatever I take.
Games for $1. Games, puzzle, toys, $1. Unless there's a couple of prices. Masters of the Universe. Yep. You need to.
I need it?
You need your He-Man.
Okay. How much is it?
$1.
$1. Okay.
You need your He-Man action game. You're dating yourself.
What's that?
Little figurines. I have no idea.
It's kinda
where they
cool.
came from. Somebody
Ferris
gave them to my son.
Got any other video games?
No, that's the
Just this?
only video game I've
Only video game. Okay.
video game. I was addicted to that.
There's this one.
Well, that.
How much
Halo,
is-
and then
How much is that?
It's the game controller.
Oh, yep.
You plug it in the TV and then you drive these video games packed in.
Right. Okay.
And I'm sacrificing that at $1 as well.
Really?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
You know what? I'm gonna make. Can I make a pile right here?
Make a little.
And then I'll go. There's more in the house?
There's, yeah.
Okay.
there's more in the house.
So if I find anything else, I'll bring it out.
Travel. Yep.
I'm gonna get all this.
I want to travel Scrabble.
Travel Scrabble?
For $1.
There you go.
Yeah, you have to kind of work to get it all back in the case, but I figured I needed to get it open.
That's all right. It'll give
Game
me a
controller.
fun.
Game controller.
Yep. For a PC.
Okay, cool.
Again, $1.
All right.
I put a lot of miles on that one.
Did you?
Oh yeah. Yeah, that was Halo and.
Oh, Halo. Yes.
And WoW, Halo, WoW, and Call of Duty.
Wow.
Yeah, those are free if you want.
Nah. No.
I have lots and lots of them. I've kept a few, but
Negative. Negative.
This one kind of looks like.
they seem to know how to do it.
Interesting little 3D puzzle.
Is that what this is?
Yeah.
Is it new or
Yeah.
Did
I never.
you never did it?
Never took it apart. I never did it. Yeah.
Is that $1 too?
Yep.
Okay.
Keep you busy.
I will.
And they're the pieces.
Oh, yep. Cool.
Yep. There might be. Oh, that's there.
You got more stuff?
Let those ones there. Well, this I figured. You know how my arm
There you
is
go.
the softer.
Thank you.
Can I Texas that?
Okay. Add it to the old pile here.
Bag? That's
That
like,
chair.
that's free. Bag's
Oh.
free for carrying stuff. Yeah, you're good. You're good.
Okay.
Free. And that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, $5.
$5 for everything?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay. Sounds good to me, sir.
In comparison to me.
I am.
It's infinitely more expensive.
$5. You have a good day, sir.
Bounce it, ricochet around. The two people in front of us are playing volleyball with it.
So we went to this cool little moving sale, and we almost didn't stop, but we did. And we went in there. Pam was like, oh, we should just go look, because it didn't look that great from the road. And We found some really cool stuff here. First of all, we got this, and it was a really good price too. We got this vintage LL Bean little jacket. This is really nice. It's actually in good condition. And it's just a really nice jacket. I think we can probably get some pretty good money for this thing. Paid $1 for it, so it's in great condition. It's a women's, I believe it's a medium. We'll have to give the measurements. I don't think the size is here. I think it's worn out of it, but we'll have to measure it, figure it out. But yeah, I really think this jacket will do well. For $1, you can't go wrong. And then before we left, I saw this Marvel's Wonder Woman mug, and it retails for $16.99. Got it for $2. So I think this will move, especially going into Q4. Somebody will want to buy this. It's brand new in the box, so pretty cool there. Then I also saw this little pewter little figurine. On the bottom it says fine pewter from 1977. It's a Hallmark. It's from Hallmark, Little Gallery. So I'm not sure if that's worth much, but we recently sold a little pewter figurine for like $16 or $20. So some of these things can do pretty good. So I figured I would grab it. She only wanted 50 cents for it, but I gave her $1. And then spent $15 on these two posters. This is Ted Williams, and I don't know who he is. If anybody knows who he is, let me know. I should know who he is. Is it Yastrzemski? I don't know. It's a Red Sox player. I'm sure John, Cincinnati Picker, would know. I should know. I know that's Ted Williams for certain, but I don't know who that is. Man, I should know as a Red Sox fan too. So that's cool, got that. And then we have this original Barnum and Bailey poster. I was hoping it was going to be worth a little more. She claimed that it was worth about $40 retail, and she was right. It's probably worth about that, maybe a little less. I would say 25 to 50 on the high end. I don't think I could get 50 for this though, because it's a little rough. But I'm thinking maybe 30 to 35 would be a good guess as to what I could get for this poster. It is really cool though. It's an original Ringling Brothers Barnum and Bailey poster from 1979. So that's pretty cool. I was looking up comps on these, and there's some out there that go for crazy money, like $100, $200 posters. So if you ever see them, definitely look into them, because they could be worth a lot of money. This one, just for whatever reason, isn't as valuable. So we went to a moving sale, and this guy at the moving sale, I didn't think it was going to be that great of a sale, but we were in there looking, and I noticed he had some video game stuff, and I was like, wow, this guy actually has some pretty cool stuff here. And he was just like giving the stuff away, basically. He was like, yep, $1 for everything. I'm like, wow. So we spent $5 total at his sale, and he gave us some stuff too. Pam got like a free bag, didn't she? You got
a free bag and a plate for my aunt.
Yeah, but yeah, so pretty awesome. I'm not sure exactly how much some of this stuff is worth, but we got this Logitech PC controller. I'll have to look that up. That's probably worth a little bit of money. Great condition. We got a travel Scrabble game. That's pretty cool. That's in great condition as well. And we got this brand new plug and play Pac-Man. It's for a TV. Especially with Q4 coming, this will be a good Q4 seller, I'm sure. Probably will move pretty well. What else we got? We got these like cool ancient Egypt little pharaoh figures. I'm not sure what these are worth. They have a retail sticker on the back for $10, but it looks really old, so who knows what they're worth now. They could be worth the same, maybe a little more. I don't know. See if there's a date. 1999, so they are vintage. So, I don't know. I think they're pretty cool. Little pharaoh figures here. They come with the original box. Got those for $1. What else we got here? We got this Construct New York's most iconic skyscrapers. It's a 3D puzzle. It's pretty cool. It's brand new in the box, never been used. I'll have to look it up on eBay. Original retail price of $15. But yeah, I don't know if there's a date on this. I don't see a date. For $1, I mean, everything here was $1, so I couldn't pass it up. And then finally, this was a great find. I'm not sure if it's complete. We'll have to make sure it is. I have a feeling it might not be, which is kind of unfortunate. But this is Masters of the Universe featuring He-Man 3D action game. And if complete, these things are going for anywhere around $30 to $50. on eBay. So anything He-Man too, I know is really good, can bring some good value. So I saw that and I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna pick it up, take a risk on it, and hopefully it'll be worth a little something. And I think it is, but we'll have to see. Anyway, so that's that, and that pretty much sums up the haul today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.
Keep dreaming, you crazy little dreamers, and
Yeah.
yeah.